told Larry Fitzgerald, I've loved cowboys, westerns my entire life. And when I was a kid, Burbank's right by Hollywood. We'd go to Hollywood Boulevard Parade. The cowboys in those days would ride their horses up to your Roy or Gene or Hoppy, and you'd think you get candy out of their saddlebags. I petted all their horses. I mean, it's incredible. I told Larry Fitzgerald, I said, I never thought Larry was a good cowboy name. Imagine this. Hi, I'm your new Sheriff Larry. I'm going to clean up this town. Sam or Bill or Bob or Thomas or something. But now, going Larry Fitzgerald, I think Larry's a good cowboy name. I like that. Hollywood Bowl has had a lot of wonderful music, and I went to see a country music show there many, many years ago and saw Eddie Arnold, and I'm sitting right about here where you guys are, the Pierce family, and I saw Eddie Arnold with his gorgeous voice sing this song, and I said, wow, I'll never be able to sing that. I'll show you, I was right. More coyotes are howling and the cattle are prowling way out where the fences are tall, where spurs are jingling, the cowboy is singing his lonesome cattle. Help me out here. He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up the cattle each fall. Singing this cattle call. Orderly, 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 orderly.